to hike, and I lived in the mountains for 25 years in Colorado, so I was an avid skier, mountain biker, and hiker, and all that.
It's National Park Week, and though you might not be able to get out to one, now you can hike them virtually.
I like to be in nature. I like hiking.
Nature lovers can check out Yosemite National Park's most breathtaking attractions, from Glacier Point to the Yosemite Chapel, which is the oldest structure in the valley.
Going on hikes is, you get to see nature.
See Kuli'u'u Ridge Trail in Hawaii like never before in 4K Ultra HD.
We live really close to a canyon, and we have a dog, so it's every day I go hiking.
You might not live next to a canyon like Malin Ackerman, but now you can see the ultimate one on the South Kaibab Trail of the Grand Canyon. You can even cross an international destination off your list like Alicia Cuthbert's.
Go to Egypt, maybe go see the pyramids one day, that'd be great.
Virtual walking tours start at the Mortuary Temple of Khafre, passing the pyramids and ending at the iconic Sphinx. Or even stroll the Great Wall of China from Jinshanling to Simatai, commonly considered a wonder of the world with a history of more than 2,000 years.